Okay guys, so this is actually the brand Shark VACMOP. And you know, it's got these little pieces on the side. I don't think that they do anything. I used to think they were magnetic. It has an absorbent pad right here, and then there's this piece that catches the garbage. This plastic is pretty much identical to this one. I don't see much difference, but you can see how it pushes down pretty easy. There's not as much tension on this one, so it's a lot more secure. You have, this one's pretty flimsy in comparison, where this one's a lot thicker, so it absorbs better. This is just, I don't know, it's superior quality to it. I originally got these when I bought the mop, and then one day I had bought these, and they lasted a really long time. And then I was in the store and I saw these again. I will also say that in the pack that I got, I had a few that were stuck to each other, so they kind of like tore apart, opening up this little pocket here. And these come in, and because they're so thick, you don't have any issues like that. If you're considering, do you want to buy a generic option, absolutely, I would say do it, because you know, if you ask me which one I prefer, I will say this one every time.